Imagine your life as a movie, and right now the opening credits are rolling. Most people dabble in self-improvement. They flirt with the idea, but never commit. The difference between dabbling and dominating is a single sheet of paper. Write down exactly what you want, not vague wishes, laser-specific targets. Because a goal unwritten is just a wish floating in the wind. Treat yourself like the hero of an epic film, cameras rolling, audience watching. Every classic hero hits rock bottom, the messy apartment, the broken blender of pizza and ice cream. Then comes the pivotal scene, the decision, the moment everything changes. Decide right now that the loser montage ends here. Your future kids won't remember your bank balance. They'll remember the documentary of your grit. Success stories are nice, but comeback stories, those echo through generations. Yet most people choose spiral over struggle. They complain, they compare, they stay stuck. Comparison is a thief. It steals energy you could invest in your own mission. Complaining is a comfort blanket that slowly suffocates ambition. The world sells you silk sheets, grape feeders, endless leisure. But comfort is a mirage. An hour in, the grapes taste like boredom. We're wired for struggle. Hunt, gather, build, protect. A 43-year-old in the basement was once a baby full of potential. Bad nutrients, bad thoughts, they cement self-defeating loops. The antidote, seek challenge, not comfort. A 90-minute hot yoga class, those last 20 minutes, pure warfare. But finishing, wringing sweat from the mat, that's victory. Skip the struggle, and depression creeps back. Twinkies and TV become quicksand. Action is the only antidepressant baked into your DNA. So write it, chase it, film it, edit out the excuses.